everybody, and welcome back. We are checking out some of the Nanlites today. I have 3 of their tube lights. I am going to use 2 of them on an RGB color, and then 1 I'm going to use as my key light. I am also using a Nanlite Forza 60C for a projector attachment so that we can get this beautiful round light behind us. So let's kind of work through this and see where we're at. I have my amazing makeup artist Jessica here. She is going to model for us today so that we can get some beautiful shots of her. So I'm going to have you come stand right here in the center. Make sure you don't blind yourself with that light that's over there. Perfect. So we are not using any of the gobos in the projector today. We're just going to use it as is, just to create this round light behind her. I don't want it directly on her, so I have it pointed just right at my background, and then I have both of the back tubes on an RGB, kind of like a purpley color. I wanted something different than the blue to kind of pop off and give her these beautiful highlights on her hair. Can you come forward just a little bit? Let's see if we can get rid of these highlights on your face. Beautiful. Can you turn your face this way? So if I turn her, keep going a little bit more, turn her this way, I'm going to get this light along the side of her face. We'll play with that and see how it goes, and then I just have 1 tube up here so that we can get that fill light in her face and kind of go from there. So I'm going to have you, let's go ahead and hold elbows for me. There we go, and then give me a little more sass in those elbows. Yep, there we go, perfect. And then let's try kicking this hair off your shoulder. No, let's bring just a little bit back. I like that better. Beautiful, there we go. I'm gonna fix flyways here. Come here. There you go. I know you'll yell at me for hair later. Alright, and then I'm gonna have you bring your eyes this way, right here. Perfect. And let's bump a little bit here. Perfect, and eyes come towards me just a little bit more. Let's come right about here. Chin down a little bit. I don't have enough light in this eye, so let's do this a little bit here. There we go. And then close eyes. Breathe. Eyes are coming to me. Turn your feet too, so that your whole body turns. Keep going. Eyes closed, look down. Perfect. And then as far as camera gear goes, I am using a Nikon Z7 and then a 50mm lens. I am at 3.2 for my f-stop, 640 for the ISO. I didn't want to go a little too high with that, and then 125th of a second on that shutter speed. I want to have a little bit of depth just because of the background, but I really am known for that shooting with that shallow depth of field, so I try to keep my f-stop around a 3.2, keep it on the lower end just to make sure that I get that signature look that I'm known for. So, eyes are coming to me. Turtles. Perfect. And then let's bring this hair. I want you to untuck it. That'll help with that little bit of light that's there on that side of your face. Eyes here. There it is. Yes. So I think that gives us a little bit of a different look, especially if we're doing headshots or if we were trying to do something more with boudoir, which is what I'm known for. I think this would give us a different look, especially if we had them in a beautiful blue piece of lingerie, just to kind of give something that is out of the norm from like that bedroom set that we see in boudoir. So I love the fact that I can use all the lights to kind of change the color based on the outfit color that the client's using, and really just get into all of these different looks from those lights. The Nanlites are amazing because they're full RGB, so I can do any color and I don't have to worry about carrying around the gels to cover my lights anymore. So I hope you liked the setup and liked what we did, and we will see you back here soon.